Hello ladies and gentlemen, thank you for joining us today to the first ever video on this channel. I just wanted to say hello and welcome. Today we'll be taking on a challenge that's been going around for a while, which means challenging ourselves to draw the same picture 3 times, however each time is different. So we got 3 drawings. One is going to take us 26 hours. The second one is going to take us 26 minutes. And the third one, just to make it hard enough, 26 seconds. This is the one I'm most interested about, so make sure to watch it till the end to see what happens. We will be drawing on an iPad Pro and we'll be using an app called Procreate. I just have to be honest, this is one of the best apps you can have for anyone who wants to get into digital art, designing, sketching and so on. You'll have a variety of tools to use anytime you want and you'll never go out of options. This is one of the examples of a drawing that's been done on Procreate. Just to let you know, this is not my drawing, I don't want to take any credit for it, I just want to say how amazing it is. So let's get straight into it and start with the 26-hour drawing. Now before everyone jumps in the comment section and says this is a completed drawing, I just want to say this drawing has been done in the past because it took a very long time and I want to show my artwork with you, I want to share it with you. This is a drawing that I did about 5 years ago and I used color pencils. The pencils I used were Prismacolor pencils. There are some of the high-end pencils you can find in the market for any artist that really wants to invest in their work and take it further, because these are not cheap. For people who don't believe this is my artwork, I have my Instagram channel right here on the display for you, so if you want to have a look at it, just go to Artsy Portraits and you can see a step-by-step pictures. But I know most of you are gonna believe me anyway. Also make sure to follow me on Instagram for more artwork, and also subscribe and like and press the bell button right here for more videos, it really helps out. Right here I'm actually focusing out from the camera, zooming out so you can see the artwork, and I'll be honest with you, this drawing is quite large and I could have zoomed out more, but then you would have seen a lot of junk on my desk and around it. Oh look, there is my MacBook. Just decided to come into the frame to ruin my picture. Well, thanks for ruining my life. I'll make sure to sell you on eBay. Who's laughing now? Okay, anyway, let's get straight into the 26-minute drawing. I try to keep it as fair as possible because this is on an iPad and the other picture was normal drawing on a piece of paper. What I've done here is do it in time lapse, however I have put a timer right next to it because I know you guys are thinking, oh wait, he's done a 26-hour drawing and he's not showing it, how can we trust him? So I was like, you know what, I need to earn their trust and I'm gonna put a timer right next to it. I have to be honest guys, I really struggled with this drawing because I spent hours on my drawings and I only had 26 minutes. I don't even want to think about what happened to the 26-second drawing because, oh wait, you just wait and watch. All I'm going to say is you're going to love it. I mean, really love it. As you can see here, I've really focused on going into the details, which is, I'll be honest, a massive mistake I made because time is not your friend and detailing is good, however not when you got 26 minutes. You can see I'm really focusing on the eyebrows and trying to get the hair and make sure every bit of the hair is very visible and people can see it. And here you can see I'm focusing on the lips a bit and then going back to the eyes. I was all over the place because as you can see, the timer is already gone past 11 minutes and I'm just panicking because I don't know where to start and where to end. You can see the detailing in the eyes again. I'm really focusing on detailing and oh boy did I make a mistake. Right here I'm trying to work on some hair again, make sure the hair is coming onto the face compared to the original drawing. Now I'm jumping back to another eye because I keep looking at the time and that timer being in the frame was not helpful because all I did is worry about time. Right, so in the second eye I've just noticed right here that I've done it a little bit bigger than the other eye, which is again a mistake you're gonna make when you have a timer staring in your face and oh look, the timer decided to go off. Not the timer, the screen, because it was on auto lock. Well, great job by me. Anyway, let's carry on because we don't have any time to waste. Time is still running in the background. We're focusing on the shadowing here. Oh, there you go. We unlocked the phone again, and look, we got 6 minutes. So 20 minutes has passed and we've done almost nothing. Just want to say, guys, I'm really sorry about the lighting. I noticed the lighting after I shot the video, and I'll be honest with you, I don't want to spend another 26 minutes suffering. What I've done for you here is show you the finished product at the end, and you're gonna see all of it, and you're gonna love it, I promise you. Here I'm focusing on the lips again and the nose, and look, we got 2 minutes. I'm like, oh no, I need to go straight to the throne because there's a big throne at the bottom. So what I'm starting to draw here is a bunch of swords which look like roses, and I don't know why they look like roses. Maybe it's because the timer has run out. Oh boy. So this is the drawing. Fantastic drawing that took me 26 minutes, and if you guys can't see, I put it at the top because it was the longest 26 minutes of my life. Or maybe I should say the quickest 26 minutes because it went so quick, but it was long because I suffered really badly. I mean, with the eyes I'm quite impressed with it because it just took 26 minutes for all that. I'm not happy with these flowers that look like I bought from Tesco's, but anyway, 26 seconds. Oh boy. But anyway, guys, don't judge me. It's been a long day trying to figure out why I'm so bad at drawing. And if you guys can't see it, I've got another picture of my beautiful drawing for you, which you can see in its full glory. Look at that, CERSEI Lannister. Right guys, so we got to the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching, and if you can see at the top, I put my Instagram channel for you guys to actually be able to have a look at the rest of my drawings and actually know that I am not that bad. If you can see the 26 hour, 26 minute and 26 second drawing next to each other, you can see there is a massive difference. And once I got to the 26 second drawing, I was actually quite proud of my 26 minutes. And honestly, I couldn't be more proud of my 26-hour drawing. The picture you can see there, the colors, everything, the background is all done by me. And yeah, let's just actually focus the fact that I couldn't even get to colors on the other two drawings. Anyway, right, make sure to like and subscribe and hit the bell button for more because it really helps the channel. This is my first ever video and I hope I could keep you guys entertained, and I'd love to hear from you in the comment section. Thank you all for watching.